One of the most common comments that I get from patients who come to see us from other dental offices is that they're sick and tired of having the same dental work fixed over and over again. I call this being on the dental merry-go-round. The patient has a tooth that breaks, it gets fixed, and then it has to be fixed again and again and again. Or they get one tooth fixed, a couple months later another tooth breaks and needs to be fixed, and then a little later on another tooth needs to be fixed, and around and around and around. Patients get frustrated not just because they feel like they're wasting thousands and thousands of dollars, but they also feel like they're not making any progress. They're spending all this money and they're not in any better position today than they were a year ago or 5 years ago. Not to mention the inconvenience, the discomfort, the stress of having to visit the dentist again and again and again, and these trips starting to feel unnecessary, and even worse, they start to feel hopeless. They start to feel like this is just the way things are. They're gonna have to get their teeth fixed over and over again. They're gonna have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars over and over again, and there's nothing that they can do about it. My goal when I meet these patients is to give them hope, to show them that this is not normal. Dentistry doesn't have to be uncomfortable, inconvenient, something that you avoid, and something that has to be done over and over and over again. Of course, there are patients who will always have more problems than average. There are people who are always higher risk than average. But for these patients, what they really need is a dentist who understands their unique situation, understands what they want their smile to look and feel like, understand what's important to them and what their priorities are, and can build a treatment plan to meet those needs. Every patient is unique and needs to be treated like that. So if you're one of these patients who's on the dental merry-go-round and can't wait to get off, who's sick and tired of having the same dental work done over and over again, who's starting to feel like it's normal and that there's nothing that they can do, no matter how many times you brush and floss, no matter how many times you visit the dentist, no matter how many times you have the same tooth fixed over and over again, these things are just going to keep happening. Well, I want to give you some hope. You can have a smile that looks and feels the way you want. It's something that we do for our patients every day, understanding where they've been, what they want their teeth to look and feel like in the future, and then finding the easiest path to get them from here to there and to do it right the first time.